bicycles.
You guys with somebody?
You don't have any in display, huh? It's just the boxes.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Are you guys with somebody or?
What?
Are you guys with the city or somebody?
Who are you?
I work here.
So?
I was just asking.
It's none of your business, man.
Pardon?
It's none of your business.
Okay, have a nice day.
Yep. Off.
Pardon?
Off, man.
It's okay if you film, but can you not block the entrance, sir? Thank you, I appreciate
I don't see anybody trying to walk in, man. Shut up.
I just asking you to clear the door.
Yeah, I'm asking you to mind your own business, man. I'm not blocking anybody from coming in, am I?
Yeah, but you're standing in the doorway. All I ask is if you can just clear the
All I ask is for you to mind your own business, man. Thanks.
Yeah?
You cannot, it's a security reason, sir. You cannot do that. Okay, let me. You want me to smile also? You want me to smile?
You're back up, dude.
Yes, you cannot.
You're a little
take-
too close to me, man.
You cannot take
6 feet, man.
Oh, 6 feet, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why
You
guys-
came here, right? I was already here.
Okay, but 6 feet, you
Respect
guys.
my 6 feet, man.
What about you guys? You're not 6 feet.
I'm on the public sidewalk, man. I don't know what you're talking
No, no,
about.
no. About you and him, you're not 6 feet.
Stop crying, man. Go away. Go away. Go away with your 6 feet. There, he moved.
Look, they got more cool ones up there.
Yeah, back in the back right here, look. And on top too.
You want to steal the store. You ready for that? You mean?
What?
You want to steal the store? You checking the house.
I want to what?
You want to get the house? See how?
So now you're profiling us?
No, I'm just telling you. Why you taking the picture inside?
That sounds racist, man.
You're a racist or what?
We look like thieves to you?
We look like thieves?
That's interesting.
Damn. So with you, you think we're gonna steal the store too or what?
That
That's
says a
right,
lot
you
about
better
the
not.
kind of person you are, man.
Better not.
Wow.
Why you don't put another camera out the front? 3 cameras.
I have 3 cameras.
But it's not 6 feet, sir. You have to
That's
be-
definitely 6 feet. You don't know how to measure?
You have to be not 6
You don't know how to measure 6 feet?
You want to measure that?
Can you clear the way?
Okay, go ahead.
I'm pissed. Got it a long time ago.
You want chairs?
I got that a
You
long
want
time
the chair
ago,
to
man.
sit as the chair? I get the chair if you want.
Shut up, racist.
Yeah? You want the chair?
Shut up, racist. Nobody likes a racist. How would you like for everybody to know that this place is run by a racist?
So as far as I'm concerned, this guy's not a guard no more because he's not identifying himself.
Nope.
He covered his.
Yeah, I don't have to identify myself.
Yeah, you do.
Respect as a security.
Yeah,
either, man.
why don't
You can fuck off and walk away.
why don't
man.
you read your policy?
Stop being a little bitch, man.
Yeah, stop being a little bitch.
You took up this fucking job. Be a man, dude.
Yeah, man
You
up.
don't have your name.
Man up, bitch
You know
boy.
You know the position you took up, dude?
What a crybaby.
You like to have
Yeah.
water, sir? You want me to give you
And he has
water?
a weapon.
You want water? Water you want? I can
Hey,
give you water.
racist. We don't want anything from a racist.
Yes, fine.
It's okay.
Because we don't need the sun.
We don't need anything from racist people. Sorry. Racist people are not here to help. They're only here to take people's money. That's it. That's it. That's all you care about is the money.
I've never heard of UGS.
There we got the cam back. The cam back is Shane. Looks like they already made the Crybaby call with the police.
That's probably Leslie, how the lady recording it. Says the owner of the business is Leslie. Her phone number's right here.
Hey Leslie, save that picture for later. You're gonna need it.
Is that Leslie Minier?
Yeah. Save it for bedtime, Leslie. Save that video for bedtime, Leslie. Oh, you call daddy? You call daddy racist?
Let me get you water.
You call daddy? Man, you guys are a joke. You guys are a joke.
Good morning, gentlemen. Just in case you want the information for later, let's see your videotaping Deputy Wax 529698. Give me a minute and I'll talk to you guys. Let me just see what's going on, all right? I appreciate it very much. How you doing, boss?
Thank you, deputy.
No problem. Give me a few minutes and then I'll come out and talk to you
Thank
guys,
you,
all right?
sir. Thank you. Daddy's here. Hey, Daddy's here. Papi Chulo. Papi Chulo's here. Let me see your gang tattoos, Corporal.
What's going on?
Let me see your gang tattoos. Why don't you lift up your pant leg for me, man?
Gang tattoos. I'm like, who has gang
Are you part of the executioners or what?
Tattoos, man?
You part of the executioners?
How's it going, sir?
Are you part of the executioners? Let me see your gang tattoos, man.
Got no tattoos,
Let me see. Roll up your pants.
No, I don't need to do
Roll up your pants, man.
I don't need to do all
Roll
that.
up your pants.
I got no tattoos.
Roll up your pants. Let me see your tattoos. Are you guys with the executioners or what?
Nope, not at all.
The
You
executioners?
guys have a tramp stamp or what? Let's see that lower back, man. Let's see that tramp stamp.
Let's see the tramp stamp. Executioners.
Or banditos.
The executioners. Fuck the banditos.
One of your bitch
Bitch ass
you
gangs.
from,
Fuck those bitches.
Fuck all three of you. How you guys
Yeah,
like that?
you too, man. Bootlicker.
Like that.
Nothing but a bootlicker hiding your badge. Only a coward hides his badge.
I don't even know why he took up his job. They're here doing his job.
It's because he got rejected. He had to go 30 steps down. He got rejected.
Yeah, I'd take up a different profession if I was you, man.
Yep.
Yeah, you're one of them.
Cowardism is not law enforcement, man. I can't hear you.
Police station, dude.
I can't hear you.
Yeah, if you're over here trying to audit or do all that bullshit, you would do it somewhere else, bro.
I'm doing it here. I'm doing it here and I'm doing it to you. And you suck. You suck, man.
Yeah.
If you read that policy, you're supposed to display
yeah.
that
Yeah, you don't have
badge.
to talk to me.
You're supposed to
Okay.
display that badge.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll see what BSIS thinks about it, man.
That's cool.
Yep. It is cool. You gotta identify yourselves, especially because you're wearing a weapon on your hip.
Hi, sir.
The police that were messing with customers.
Oh, customers, huh? Yeah, I don't see any customers
I see a
here.
bunch of bitches, but not customers.
I see a bunch of bitches.
Yes.
Yes.
At least you admit it, man.
Yes.
Thank you for being honest.
Get out of here, you dumbass executioner
Next time,
bitch.
learn how to fucking park, man.
Yes, sir.
These streets belong to the public, not to you.
Defund the police starts right here, man, with you. With you. With all the training officers gotta go. We're documenting the police.
I'm sorry?
We can't have a dialogue like this, man. See you later. These guys are racist.
I wonder if this is his since he's standing so close to it.
He's a racist. Yeah, who cares? Crybaby. What did Daddy tell you, Crybaby? Spread the word, they're racist here.
Hallelujah.
We'll spread the word for you, man. We'll let everybody know that you guys are racist here.
This who brings religion into it by
Profiling
saying
us.
Hallelujah.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't check these computers. That guy's back?
Yeah.
1490855. Get a good one.
It's your daddy, It's your daddy? It's daddy,
Thank you for coming. No problem. What's up, boss?
What gang unit are you with, man?
Gang unit?
Yeah, aren't you with the gang unit?
No.
Are
I'm
you
out
sure?
of West Hollywood Station.
Are you sure?
Sure.
I
Hey,
think
just real
you're
quick,
part of the
obviously, you know that they-
executioners, right?
I'm sorry?
You're part of the executioners?
No, sir. Anyways, I don't even know what you're talking about with that.
Yeah, you know exactly what I'm
Real
talking
quick,
about, man.
just
This is the
FYI,
problem.
you guys
This
are
is the
more
problem
than
with law
welcome to
enforcement. You
film
guys
out
can't
here.
admit that there's a
They
problem
called us,
internally.
and,
You guys cannot
hey,
admit
you
that
guys
there's
have
a
a good
problem
day.
internally, and that's your problem, man.
You guys take care.
That's your problem. You guys got to stop acting like bitches and start turning those motherfuckers in. You guys got to start arresting those fools, man. What's wrong with you guys? What's wrong with you guys? You gonna let the thin blue line get a hold of you? You're gonna judge by the thin blue line? You need to get rid of that thin blue line and start arresting those fools.
You little bitch. Your 2 stripes don't mean shit out here.
Hueso! Hueso! Driving with a cell phone in his hand. Dang. Oh. Fuck you too, bitch, for calling the cops on me.
He looks pissed, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, look. Hey, before I go.
Later, bitch boy. Later, bitch boy. Yeah, see you later, bitch boy. Go suck it easy, bitch. Go suck it easy. Yeah. Fuck the cops. Fucking tyrant.
I mean, definitely an option.
Fuck the police.
569 West Conference Place,
Yeah.
Londonderry, and